This is a follow-up on our previous video. We advise you to watch the original one before you proceed here. Virtu's Oil and Gas Corporation. The former curry sellers who decided to switch to oil and gas because apparently it's easier to succeed in this industry than in curry. And weirdly enough, investors seem to believe this. Virtus has been constantly among the most traded stocks in Pennyland for months. It has people excited, but at the same time, on online forums, literally every second or third comment is that the company is a scam. Right, so before we continue, let me explain why. This stock has been pumped for months, recently stopping at the end of October, and it's been literally pumped by every way imaginable. Research reports, hard mailer, emails, there's even been some phone campaigning. We've covered in the past how dangerous it is to believe such promotions, but let me emphasize with some facts. Here's what the promoters have to say about Virtus, the one stock with the 2.1 billion prize. The one stock. Sounds mythical. Anyway, here's what the company actually has. As of June 30th, it had $25,000 in cash, $82,000 in current liabilities, absolutely no revenues, and $500,000 in quarterly net loss. Now, you tell me, do you honestly think what I showed you is accurate? And I've got one more thing to add to the part with the revenues. There's going to be a long while more before any start streaming in. As per request in the last quarter report, the deadline when Virtus is scheduled to start drilling has been postponed from February 2015 to September 1st. This effectively means that any possible revenues will come at the earliest around this time next year. Meanwhile, the company is just ripe with fluff press releases and nothing else on the horizon, and investors trade incessantly, unknowing that in 2013 over 18 million shares were sold at 1 cent each. Considering that the company was barely traded a few months ago, I think it's safe to say that whoever's holding them is having a good time now. This is Martin Nadenoff for Hotstock.com.
I have a small amount of money to invest and I want to gamble in the market. I'm looking for a penny stock that'll go up and turn it into $100,000 or $1 million.